In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stop-loss orders in Tradingview. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, knowing how to effectively set a stop-loss can be a crucial part of your trading strategy. Stop-losses help you manage risk by automatically closing a position when it reaches a certain price, preventing further losses. First, ensure you're logged into your Tradingview account. Once logged in, navigate to the chart of the asset you're interested in, whether that's a stock, cryptocurrency, or Forex pair. This is your starting point, as everything revolves around the price movements reflected on this chart. With your chart open, identify the current position you hold on this asset. If you haven't taken any position yet, you might want to conduct a bit of analysis first to determine your entry and exit points based on your strategy. Once you have your position, you can add a stop loss. Locate the actual trade or order on your chart. You can usually do this by clicking on the position line itself, which often triggers a pop-up or sidebar displaying details of that trade. In Tradingview, stop-loss orders are typically linked with either an existing trade panel or manually set alongside your open position. If you're manually adding it, click on your position line and select the Edit Order or Modify Position option from the context menu that appears. Now, there's crucial decision-making involved, selecting the stop-loss level. Decide the price at which you want the stop-loss to trigger. This decision should be based on technical levels you've identified, perhaps a recent swing low for a long position or a swing high for a short one, as well as your risk tolerance. Once you've decided, you input the stop-loss figure into the designated field. Tradingview will calculate the potential loss for confirmation. It's beneficial to ensure your stop-loss isn't too tight to avoid being stopped out due to normal market fluctuations, yet not too wide to the point where losses are substantial. Once confirmed, review all the details you've entered. Ensure everything looks correct from the specific asset and position size to the exact price at which your stop-loss order will execute. After you've verified, finalize the order by hitting the Confirm or Place Order button. Having this review step is essential. It's your last check against errors. Finally, keep monitoring your charts even with your stop-loss in place. Markets can move unexpectedly due to news events or other factors, and being adaptable with your strategy, and adjusting if needed, remains important. Using an integrated alert system in Tradingview can also help you maintain awareness of price movements even if you step away from the screen. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully set a stop-loss in Tradingview, protecting your trading capital with an additional layer of risk management. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!